Hello Primary 4, welcome to another video. Today we're gonna talk about the weight. So you have studied before the units of weight, which was kilogram and gram, and kilogram is mostly used to measure the weight of a human or something is middle weight, but the gram is used for something is lighter than the kilogram. And we have a new unit in this year, which is the ton. So if I want to know what is the weight of a car, so I'm not gonna use the kilograms, I just gonna use the ton. So everything that you can't lift or you can't carry will be measured in a ton, but something in the middle weight will be measured with kilogram. And if something is lighter than that, like jewelries, like pens, like papers, can be measured with gram. So to transform from ton to kilogram, you multiply by 1000, and to change the number from kilogram to gram, you just multiply by 1000. If I'm changing from gram to kilogram, I will divide by the same amount, dividing by 1000. From kilogram into ton, I will divide by 1000. And the most important one, when you choose to transform from ton into gram, you will multiply by 1000, then 1000, so you multiply by 1 million. And from gram into ton, you will divide by a million. So some important notes we have to say. 1 ton is equal to how many kilograms? From ton to kilogram, you just multiply by 1000, so 1 ton equal 1000 kilogram. 1 kilogram equal what in grams? So from kilogram to gram, you will multiply by 1000, so 1 by 1000 is 1000. 1 ton equal how many grams? So I'm changing from ton into grams. So from ton into grams, I will multiply by 1000 and another 1000, so it will be 1 million. So 1 ton equal 1 million grams. 1/4 ton equal what in kilogram? 1/4, you have taken that the 4 is a friend of the number 25. So I will write 25, and because this is ton into kilogram, so I'm gonna take this quarter of a ton, so the quarter of 1000, it will be 250. I want you just to memorize the 4 with 25 and putting another 0. And the half of a ton, you have taken that the friend of the number 2 is the number 5. But we need the half of a ton, so we have to put 2 zeros. So half of a ton means the half of 1000, or you dividing 1000 divided 2, so it will be 500. 3/4 of a ton, it means not just only 1/4, we want 3/4. We need 250, this is a quarter, as we said before, and another 250, this is another quarter, and we need another 250, this is the third quarter. So the 3/4 together will 0 plus 0 plus 0 equals 0. 5 and 5 and 5, 15, 5 and carry up 1, 1 and 2, 3, 3 and 2, 5, 5 and 2, 7. So 3/4 means 3 amounts of 250, which equals 750. These 3 numbers, you have to memorize it. Just remember that the 4 is a friend of 25 and we put 1 0. The half is a friend of 5 and we put 2 zeros. And 3/4 means 3 amounts of 250, which is 750. The same as we talk about from ton to kilogram, we're gonna talk about from kilogram into grams. So the half of kilogram, you know that the 2 is a friend of 5, so it's 500 gram. The quarter of kilogram, you know that 4 is the friend of 25, so it's 250 gram. And 3/4 is 750 grams. Okay, we're gonna solve the exercise in booklet in page 66, and it says exercise number 1 complete. 30 ton equal how many kilogram? So from ton into kilogram, we multiply by 1000. So 30 by 1000, I'm gonna put 30 and another 3 zeros, so it's equal 30,000. 45,000 kilogram equal how many tons? So from kilogram, from a smaller unit to a bigger unit, we divide. So here from kilogram to ton, we divide by 1000. If you have a zeros, just cancel a zero with zero, zero with another, and the last one with the last zero. So the answer is 45. But if you didn't have zeros, you will move a decimal point. Question number C, 578 kilogram equal how many grams? From kilogram to gram, you multiply by 1000. So I will multiply this number by 1000. So the answer will be 578 gram. 72,000 grams equal how many kilograms? So to change from gram to kilogram, we divide by 1000. We have zeros, so we'll cancel 3 zeros with 3 zeros. So the remaining number is 72. The next one, 2 ton equal how many gram? So we need to change from ton into gram. From ton to gram, we multiply by 1 million. So 2 by 1 million equal 2 million grams. Question number F. From kilogram into ton. From a smaller unit to a bigger unit, we divide. From kilogram to ton, we divided by 1000. So I'm gonna move the decimal point here 1, 2, 3, and I'm gonna put a point here between 7 and 8. So the answer is 67.8. 2.5 ton equal how many kilogram? We have said that the half ton equal 500 kilogram. And we have 2 tons, so the 2 tons equal how many kilogram? It's 2000 kilograms. So we have now 2000 kilograms plus 500 kilograms, so the answer is 2500 kilograms. So again, I will explain it again. You know that only a half of a ton equal 500 kilograms, and 2 tons equal multiplying by 1000, so it's equal to 2000 kilogram. So you have 2000 kilogram and 500 kilogram. I will add them together. 2000 plus 500 equal to 2500 kilogram. Question number H. We have 24,072 grams. And I want to change it into kilogram. From a smaller unit to a bigger one, we will divide by 1000. So dividing by 1000, there is no zeros to cancel, so I will move a decimal point 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna put a point here, so the answer is 24.072. The next question, 3/4 of a kilogram equal how many grams? So we have taken this in the notes. 3/4 of a kilogram, this means 750 gram. 3¼ kilogram equal how many grams? So you have to make it in 2 parts. The 3 only kilograms equals 3000 gram, and the quarter of a kilogram equal 250 grams. So we're gonna add these 2 numbers together, so we have 3250 grams. Question number 2, put a suitable sign in each of the following. So we're gonna put greater than or less than or equal. So here we have 500 kilogram and here we have 1 ton. So I'm gonna make the 2 units the same while multiplying this number by 1000. So it's equal 1000 kilogram. So here we have 1000 and here we have 500, so 1000 is greater. We have kilograms and ton, so I have to make both of the 2 numbers having the same sign, so it's the same unit. So from ton into kilogram we multiply by 1000, so 9 tons equal 9000 kilograms. So here we have 8000 kilograms and 780. Here we have 9000 kilograms, so 9000 is greater. Here we have 6.5 kilograms and this number is 6500 gram. So I have to make the 2 numbers the same, so I'm gonna change kilogram into gram. So this number contains 2 parts, 6 kilograms equals 6,000 grams, and the half of a kilogram is 500 grams, so we have to add them together, so the number equal 6,500 grams, and the other number is also 6,500 grams, so both of the two numbers are equal. We have 3 kilogram and 3,000 grams, so let's make the kilogram like grams by multiplying by 1,000, so this equals 3,000 grams, and this is also 3,000 grams, so they are equal. We have 700 grams and 3/4 of a kilogram, so we're gonna change the kilogram into gram. This is equal 750 grams, and we will have 700, so 750 is greater than 700. Our lesson is finished. Don't forget your homework in the booklet page 68 and 69, and see you in another video. Thank you.